Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again, I'm talking about Stellar XLM price update. Stellar XLM is going positive in the market, and personally I'm very happy to see these positive changes because after a long time I found Stellar XLM in the positive mode, guys, and I believe that for a long time Stellar will continue this pump. Just look here, guys. If we talk about the price update of Stellar XLM in right now, so 0.302066 USD dollar, that is right now price of Stellar lumens right now. But guys, the good news for all of you is that if you talk about the changes update of Stellar lumens, so you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these update is going positive. So personally, I'm happy to see these updates, guys. And in my previous videos, I also predicated Stellar XLM that there is some possibilities that Stellar XLM price will pump in October. So as you know, today is the 2nd October and the price is very fastly increasing, guys. So I'm very happy, and my prediction going right about Stellar XLM. So that's why again I request everybody to please subscribe now our channel for more accurate price prediction. Oh my god, as you can see here, this price chart, this is the last 3 days price chart of Stellar XLM, and I think you can see that is the quick change in a Stellar XLM price chart. Wow, very congratulations to all Stellar owners. 9.46% positive changes occurred in the Stellar XLM. I'm very happy to see this update. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.